This is the 18th day of remodeling my first house with no experience. We're gonna do a leak test to make sure everything is good, and then hopefully start installing the wall surrounds. The moment of truth. I gotta listen for leaks now. I don't really hear anything. Let me do one of these. Well, that didn't work. I didn't hear anything though. It sounded good. I have a little bit of water left. I'm gonna throw this in there real quick and then throw this down there. Well, it looks good. We're gonna go with these screws. So I'm gonna go around making holes on the tub on where I'm going to screw it to the wall. I think we'll be all right with that. There's reinforced studs. I'm gonna put one on each stud. And then we got this John, which I already know what y'all gonna say, but we're gonna get to that. I can already see y'all roasting me, but this is what we're gonna do, yo. This is what we're going to do. We're gonna grab this kit that I bought of pieces of shim, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna do these numbers. We're gonna do this all around the edges that need it. Looks like damn near all the edges need it, but this should be fine. That fell sick. Oh my god. Let me start screwing in the back. I'm gonna start with this corner right here. Oh, ja. These tips. Gosh, man. These tips are so annoying. I try, and I try, and I try, and I try, but nothing ever goes right. Like, that's how I feel. That's how I really feel, bro. That's how I really feel. Trying to start wasting. Trying to start going through fasteners for no reason. Like, why, bro? These are not that's not the right bit, bro. It's not the right bit, bro. Apparently, they need some special bit or something. I almost had it. I think I might just have to make a bigger hole to make it easier on myself. It's gonna have to do the trick. Let me enlarge these holes a bit, I guess, with this bit. Yeah, gotta do that all the way around. Obviously, these areas are going to require some shims. Like, is there anywhere I could get it to the wall? This side's gonna be bad. Straight to stud, baby. Oh, sexy lady. Had a shim, 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 shim. I'm a classic man. I'm shimmying this whole tub up. Isn't that just lit? Oh, that's hot. Oh my lord. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get things done. And this is one of those things. Now the last piece of the puzzle. This thing. The thickest part. Cause this wasn't shaved. SMH, brother. SMH. What am I doing? That's what it's gonna have to be. Let's do the check. It's pretty sturdy. Sturdy as frig. Yup, this thing is not going anywhere. I think I could just break these. Yeah. Yeah. This thing got loose? Hell yeah, brethren. Yee. This thing needs to get cleaned out. Look at that. We're making progress. This thing is sturdy. This is the 16th day of remodeling my first house with no experience. I got some bad news. This is the back. Hopefully it's not broken because it fell at Home Depot. Oh! Hopefully it didn't break anything. But the guy said I could return it if there was anything broken on it. Get out of my way. This is what the bag looks like. Oh, Lord. This is a big old piece to install myself. Oh, God. Had to do that. Guess that's just gonna go on the back of the wall like that. Let's see how we do this. Okay. Calm down. Calm down, girl. Calm down. This is a solo mission. This is gonna be very interesting. I gotta be so careful here. Oh. I have no idea how I just did this. I have no idea how I just did this. I suppose these clips right here, I don't know if you can see that, it's supposed to fall into this groove. Maybe like angling it or something. Something clicked. Something clicked. I'm not mad at it at all. Let me look at the instructions real quick to make sure we're solid. Alright, y'all, so I couldn't really find anything online. I guess I kind of know the answer, but I'm gonna put a brace here, a 2x4, like two of them, one here, one at the bottom, one at the top, just to make it a little more, just to make that a lot more sturdier, because you know, people tend to lean a lot in the shower and I already know how that goes, so let me just do that. I actually think it's better if I just toenail these in. What do we have here? 14 and a half? 14 and a half. So I'm gonna cut 4 pieces, 14 and a half inches. Tight, tight, tight. Gonna have to be one up here. I don't want to damage that too much, but that's what we're gonna have to do. What? This needs to be a little bit longer. I guess up here it's 14 and a half, huh? And down here this thing's warped a little bit. Oh, we have one piece for here though. This pipe is a little bendy already. Hopefully it doesn't put too much strain on it. Yeah, still a risky move. I can do that. I can do that there. Some movement on it still. Let's do 15. A little bit too much there. Looks like I can use one over here. This one over here. And then we'll toenail it from the top and the bottom. All right, let's see. Got 2 pieces. So this one should be a good fit for here. Just a hair. I hate cutting just a hair, bro. So frustrating. Like what? Dang it. Just trying to be chill today, bro. Please. Oh my gosh. I can probably force it in there. Do that there. Do that here. It shouldn't cause too much pressure on these pipes, right? Time to struggle for real. Oh boy. Oh boy. I think I'm gonna do the top one first and then put this one in after. Oh, come on, brother. No. It's hot real quick. This part's gonna suck. I suck on my left hand. Look at that. Horrible. Now that's a good solid support there, right there. Whenever someone decides to lean on this. Still got movement. Not too much tension. This is already kind of bent, so. Sturdy. I don't think anybody, you know, hopefully nobody big enough can destroy this whenever they lean on this. Now for this side, I think I'm gonna have to take this thing out. Maybe not. Let's try this. I like to struggle, as you can tell. No! Let me just take this out, man. I don't want to take this out though, but we're gonna have to. Okay, let's go. Oh, come on, bro. Come on. My left hand game is weak. My left hand game is weak, but we got it in. What am I doing? I just had a brain fart. Solid. Solid stuff. Solid stuff. This thing doesn't even look like it wants to hold up. This one's gonna suck too. Come on, man. Gosh, dude, I suck with power tools, bro. We're in there. I'm in here, dog. I'm in here, dog. No, not again. What? That thing just got cooked like that? Wow, bro. My left hand game is so weak. I need to start using my left hand more. You know what I mean? Can't neglect the left hand. Bruh. I'm tempted to just get another piece. I don't even feel like pulling that out, to be honest. This is what most of y'all contractors do anyways, don't lie. And that's solid. Solid! Yezerski, Ribereski. Slap this back on the back. Slap it, lap it, lap it, lap it. All right, let's see. Oh, great, great. This is what happens. Don't fall, don't fall. Yo, so much anxiety. Look at this. All right, bruh. I should learn my lesson and take that out, but you know, whatever. It's fun, right? Gotta make things exciting. Did it fall? Did it fall in there? Nah. There it is. Heard the click. Pop, pop. You know what? Can't be too mad with that, yo. Like, come on. Let me start making the holes so I could get this piece in where it's supposed to go. I was just gonna put which ones do I want to use? Let's go with this. Let's start with this. Come on, bro. These screws are too thick. Yo, bro. Come on. Stop playing with me. Putting all my weight into it. Playing with my emotions right now. I'm just gonna do one. I don't know why I made 2 holes. I'm tripping. What in tarnation? What the hell? Oh, that shit broke. That's actually wild. That broke. I really hope, like, once I get this piece in, hopefully it should stiffen this out. If not, we're cooked. Oh, some shims. That's what I need. The good old handy dandy shims. Well, good luck trying to take that out. GG's. Yeah. I hope I'm doing this right. I'm just going with my gut. We got a lot done today, or at least it feels like we did. That's gonna be it for me. Peace.